Welcome to Carset channel. Subscribe if you love cars.
Sup guys, here I have a 2007 Honda Civic, and this is the radiator fan. The radiator fan is not working, and this is the aircon fan. Both of them are not working because of right now I didn't turn on the aircon. So let me turn on the aircon and see. Alright, right now I turn on the aircon, and when you turn on the aircon, both of the fans are supposed to be running. So now the aircon fan is running, but the radiator fan is not running. So there are three things that you need to check. First is the fan, second is the relay, and third is the sensor. So how are you going to check now is you need to prepare something to knock the fan. Alright, so here I use a wrench and try to show you. Okay, you just try to use the wrench to knock the fan. See? It's working now. So if you are having the symptom of this, that means your radiator fan, it's time to be replaced. It's working right now, yeah? Okay, the reason why it works when you knock it is because of the carbon inside the fan. It's old, so you have to knock for it to run. Now you see, it's not working again, so try to knock and it works again. Okay. Right. Let's see. Right, it's not working again. So knock it. It works again. Both of the fans are supposed to be working together simultaneously. So after a few times of knocking, it works now. Well, if this is the symptom, that means the fan is time to be replaced for sure. It has nothing to deal with the relay or the sensor or whatsoever it is. Alright guys, that's all for the video.
Please like, share, subscribe and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching.